Hello, my name is Abraham Ritter. I'm 31 years old, and I have chosen a film by David Mike Codd called The Animal Kingdom as my second script for this edition. You want to know what the bush is about? It's about massive trees that have been standing there for thousands of years, and bugs that'll be dead before the minute's out. It's big trees and pissy little bugs. The way it works, if we were standing here a few million years ago, maybe the whole forest would be full of impractical animals and soft, juicy plants that animals eat like ice cream. But that was never gonna work. Now it's about impractical animals and hard, thorny plants, and everything knows its place in the scheme of things. Things survive because they're strong, and everything reaches an understanding. But not everything survives because it's strong. Some creatures are weak, but they survive because they are protected by the strong, for one reason or the other. You might think because of the circles you've been moving in or whatever, that you're one of the strong creatures. But you're not. You're one of the weak creatures. And that's nothing against you. You're weak because you're young. You survived because you've been protected by the strong. But they aren't strong anymore. And they certainly aren't protecting you. You feel like you're in a tough situation. But you have an out. There's nothing your uncles can do to squirm out of this one. Craig's learned it the hard way. But you're not one of them. You know that. They're telling you, talking to me is betraying your family. But they've betrayed you. You're out here dealing with us right now. That's all the proof you need. And you're in danger. Don't be confused. I think you know. And I think you know I can help you. But I can't keep offering. You gotta decide. You gotta work out where you fit in this. Thank you very much.